Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to this class. Dear students, in the last class, we all discussed about what acceleration part. Okay, in the last class, I hope that you all understood. Okay, students, in the continue part about this chapter, motion in a straight line, that is most interesting concept that you learned in a before standard, then 8th standard, that is 8th and 9th standard also. What it is? It is graphical representation of motion. You do in the last previous standard by the graphical representation of a motion. You draw some motion about by graphical representation. What are those? Position versus time graph and velocity versus time graph, and also you derive some equations of motions. That equations of motion we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, first we discuss in this class position versus time graph. What? Position versus time graph. Here position means what? The object moving with the one direction, means moving with the straight line, that we denote a position. And we have to take a time taken, means a body moving with the one direction with any instant. Okay, so now we discuss about a position versus time graph. In this position versus time graph, it indicates on the basis of this graph will explain it in the 4 ways. Means even position time graph 4 ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ express ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So first is for object at rest. For object at rest. And next for object moving with the uniform velocity. Next, for an object moving with the increasing velocity. The next, for an object moving with the decreasing velocity. These much are 4 ways to tell about a position versus time graph. Okay, here the 4 figures of A, B, C, D about a position versus time graph. So we will see one by one. Okay, concept. Clear the concept? Okay. So first figure. This is, we have to consider the position of an object, that is x coordinate. Means a body moving with a straight line. We have to consider the position represented by an x coordinate. But that position moving with the, we have to take a y axis and a time along the x axis. Remember, time along, we take a time t from origin, that is a x axis, and position x we take along the y axis. Clear? Okay. So in this figure, what do you observe? The position at rest. Here in the position at rest. The now position versus time graph. This is the y axis, the position tells about a position, and x axis tells about only instant of time interval. Okay, so first is for an object at rest. So what will happen? Means the for object at rest, position time graph is a straight line. Means it is we have to draw a straight line. This straight line is parallel to the time axis, parallel to the time interval, as shown in this figure. Clear? This is the object at rest. Here also object at rest, we have to draw the straight line. And here at any position, object at rest, we have to draw the straight line. Means position versus time graph is a straight line. This straight line is parallel to the time interval. This time axis. Okay. So first case. So next case. What? I already know. The second is the position versus time graph. Means in this figure, figure B, for an object moving with the uniform velocity from the origin. It starts from origin moving with the uniform velocity. Uniform velocity means what? Equal, moving with the equal displacement. It covers equal displacement in an equal interval of time. At any instant, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds, 3 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter, so on. The first second it covers a distance of what? It covers a distance of 1 meter. Again second meter it covers a distance of another 1 meter, and so on. Means the body moving with the uniform velocity. And this position versus time graph in this case, that is a straight line. This straight line is inclined. This straight line is inclined to the x-axis. Clear? ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಅನದರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ uniform velocity. This straight line means this position time graph is a straight line. This straight line is inclined to the time x-axis. Okay, understood? Okay, we have to move forward. That is what? Figure C. What? Figure C. This third case. In this third case, for an object moving with the increasing velocity, moving with the increasing velocity, where it increase, for example, this is 0, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second. It is increasing the 2.5 middle. It is increasing at an instant of 2.5 second. Means what? Again, it increase velocity goes on increasing at any instant, at every instant of time. This position time graph is tells about a increasing velocity, means acceleration is a positive. Means ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಇಂದ ಅದು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಲರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ this position versus time graph is a uniform acceleration. Sorry, increasing acceleration. Means acceleration will be positive. Okay, understood? Okay, next we go to the figure D. This, for an object, in this figure, for an object moving with the decreasing velocity means this is move in a different time. In this time, it is decreases the velocity. So the acceleration will be a decreases. Here, this position versus time graph will be a decreasing velocity. Means the acceleration will be negative. Means decreases. These kind of four figures tells about a position versus time graph. Here, one thing is, the main thing is, means note the point, that is here total position times the slope in this figure. The slope of the position time graph gives the slope of every figures. The slope of position time graph gives what it gives, that is a velocity of a body at that instant. Means ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ position versus time graph at any instant of time gives the velocity of a body at that instant of time. Clear? This is how today class. Okay, all of you understood? Okay, the next class we have discussed about velocity versus time graph. Okay, thank you.